Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wear two hair on Roblox. So guys, if you are looking a way to wear two hair at once on your mobile and Roblox, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to show you how you get free Roblox and everything. So let's get started. The video let's we're here at the same time. So open your file browser and simply search for roblox.com. Then click on continue in browser. So make sure that you sign in your account here. Right, then click on three lines here. Then click on avatar. Then click here. Double click on request desktop. So once you are done, click on head and body. Click on hair, not just the hair which you want to wear too. So as you can see, make sure that you choose hair. So once you are done with choosing hair, then click on recent. Click on all. Here you can select second hair to wear. Unfortunately, I didn't get this option till now, but if you got, then simply by doing this, you can wear two hair wigs easily. Hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching.